Hi, this is Anil. I was fortunate to be the All India Rank 1 holder in RBI exam back in 2018. Now, I'm absolutely thrilled to be part of Olive Board as a super mentor for their RBI Grade B programs. If you are aspiring to crack this exam in 2024, I will be available as a super mentor to discuss one-on-one with you, share strategy lessons, draw lessons from my preparation and set you up for success. Click the link below to check out the details. See you on Olive Board soon.
How many students prepare each year for RBI Grade B exam? What is the real competition each year in RBI Grade B exam? Let's today try to understand and discuss this particular issue. There are many students, maybe from engineering background or maybe from commerce background. These students always try to figure out that what is the overall level of competition, what is the overall selection ratio, and at the same time, how much students are totally applying for the exam, actually giving phase 1 exam, phase 2 exam, and all this we will be discussing through a RTI, that is a proper data related source. So first, let us begin our discussion by discussing that who is a real competitor in RBI Grade B exam, or who is the real person who will actually prepare in RBI Grade B exam, and he would be called as a real competitor who will clear phase 1, phase 2 and even give interview. And from these pool of real competitors only, one student becomes a RBI Grade B officer. So let's discuss today the real issue, that is selection ratio in RBI Grade B 2024. Here we will see the reference years, that is last 5 years, previous years, in which how much students have actually applied for the exam, proportionately how much students have cleared phase 1, then cleared phase 2, as well as then gave interview. So let's discuss. Before jumping to the discussion, let us first understand that how much is the real competition. Directly jumping to the selection ratios, that from each stage, student transitioning from phase 1, phase 2, interview, rather than just jumping on the percentage and selection ratios, first understand who is the real competitor. We all know that many of the students who prepare for government exams, it may be any government exam. Considering RBI Grade B year, there would be certain students who would be filling the form but not even attempting the exam. So let us see step by step who is the real competitor or what is the real competition about. We'll first see for phase 1 exam. Phase 1, the first stage of exam. If you consider that if you're filling the form for RBI Grade B exam, then for phase 1, there are certain students who are just filling the form, and there are two options for these students. It means that अगर आपने phase 1 का फॉर्म फिल कर लिया RBI Grade B का, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि if you are not in the real competition, if you are not thinking that RBI Grade B, I want to clear this exam, or maybe if you don't have enough motivation and driving factor to be a real competitor, then these would be your real options for preparation. इसका मतलब अगर आप एक नॉन सीरियस एस्पिरेंट हो, if you are that person who is not from that competition pool, तो either you have started your preparation because of societal pressure, इसका मतलब अगर आप यूपीएससी के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे हो, इसीलिए आप आरबीआई ग्रेड बी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, एज यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर थ्रू अ शॉर्ट स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए प्रिपेयर करना था, इसीलिए आरबीआई ग्रेड बी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूं. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, other externalities, for example a good salary or maybe reputed institution, these are some of the external things and societal pressures that rest of the people or rest of the crowd is preparing for RBI Grade B. Or if I already attempted some of the government exams like UPSC civil services or other banking exams, and as other banking aspirants as well as civil services aspirants, they along with their main preparation, they also go for RBI Grade B exam. I also, just following like a flock of sheep, I am also preparing for RBI Grade B exam. So understand that this is a non-competitive pool. First, the student who prepares because of social pressure and externalities. Second is a person who has no initiative. Dreams तो ये लोग देखते हैं, but they don't try to go after the goals and tasks. इसका मतलब those who haven't put any effort, they always dream कि ये एग्जाम मैं देना चाहता हूं, I want to prepare for this exam. They always dream about this exam, but they don't prepare. They don't have any plan, and after 2 to 3 months, they always have one thing, that is regret. इसका मतलब क्या है? There is no initiative. There is only daydreaming. And third is trial year paper. These students for trial year are nothing but, for example, suppose मुझे RBI Grade B के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं But as there is lack of effort, or maybe either you fall into any of these of the categories, societal pressure की वजह से prepare कर रहे हो, या फिर initiative भी नहीं है एक साल के लिए, so at that time we try to delay our examination attempt. So what we do is that इस साल के लिए ट्रायल पेपर दे देता हूँ, even though I have not started my preparation, जो कि शायद से कभी जिंदगी में नहीं होगा, but still I will give this year a trial paper and next year I'll give my best attempt. This is what some of the candidates fall into. There are also certain other candidates who plan well, who are in their final years, or maybe who are serious aspirants also, but they want to know what RBI Grade B exam actually is, and that is why they give a trial year paper. For phase 1 exam, all these students are definitely not your real competitors. Try to understand, because their intention here and their driving factor is not about clearing the exam, but rather it is either driven by externalities or either by certain things which don't make them real competition, at least for your phase 1 exam. Now, once you understand that phase 1 exam is prelims exam, it is an elimination stage. That is why when we will be looking at the selection ratios, आपको पता लग जाएगा कि phase 1 exam ये difficult तो होती ही है, but this is an elimination stage. Phase 1 exam में maximum students eliminate हो जाते हैं, and the main reason is that only you would be falling into non-competitor pool because of these particular reasons. Once you understand this, now let us jump to phase 2 exam, that is mains exam. Mains exam में थोड़े से यहाँ पर points अलग है. Now, if you are a real competitor, we all know in the RBI Grade B core syllabus, ESI, Finance, Management, Descriptive Answer Writing, English Descriptive, all these particular subjects are there. If you look at the subjects, there would be certain students who would be already eliminated from the mains or phase 2 exam. First would be जिनका syllabus ही complete नहीं हुआ है, इनको तो कोई chance ही नहीं है. Second would be syllabus complete हुआ है, but there is no revision. इनके लिए भी कोई chance नहीं है, because there is a thing that there are almost 70 to 60% of students जो बस syllabus complete करते हैं for the namesake. So namesake completion of syllabus will not help you. There should be revision attested with whatever syllabus and topics you are covering. So these two red colored students, or maybe who follow this particular characteristics, they always will not be counted in your real competition. Then comes syllabus done, but syllabus is done and revision is also done. So there are certain students who complete their syllabus, who do revision also. Now these students fall into the competition, but they are again not your real competition. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर आपका syllabus cover हुआ है और आपने अगर revision किया है, आप phase 1 clear कर लोगे, but this blue colored students will not guarantee that they will clear phase 2 mains exam. अगर आपका syllabus cover हुआ है, revision भी हुआ है, इसकी कोई guarantee नहीं है कि आपका phase 2 clear होगा. The reason being, apart from covering syllabus, apart from doing revision, there is also other thing which is required for phase 2 selection, and that is revision along with answer writing practice. इसका मतलब आपने syllabus भी complete किया, you did revision also, and along with that you did answer writing practice also. This will give your selection, or maybe there is very high chance that you will be probably selected from phase 2 and you will get an interview chance. But there are also certain couple of students who get eliminated from interview also. That is why highest chance of selection or the real competition, a real competitor for RBI Grade B exam would be a student जिन्होंने syllabus cover किया है, revision भी करा है, answer writing practice is also done, and at the same time feedback is also taken and he has worked upon his strengths as well as weaknesses. This is how a phase 2 real competitor could be defined. I hope you understood. So the red colored whatever characteristics if you find in a student, definitely he has no chance. If blue color student is there, there is no any guarantee. In green color, if your revision and answer writing practice is done, then you have a chance, but definitely again you could get eliminated in the final stages. Whereas if your syllabus is covered, revision is there, answer writing also is on the place, and if feedbacks are taken, then you are again in the top creamy layer of your overall real competition in RBI Grade B. Now let us understand what is the selection ratio. We understood who are the serious aspirants and we understood who are non-serious aspirants. We understood what are the characteristics of the real competitor, or maybe if I take out from RBI Grade B 2024 overall crowd, if I take out the real pool of competitors, I already discussed with you what they would be doing and what are their characteristics. Now comes the selection ratio. This is the RTI which we filed. You could see my name. Here for each year from 2023, 2022, 2021, 2019 and 2018, we did a RTI in which you can see here for all the last 5 years, total number of students who have applied for RBI grade B, then total number of students who have cleared phase 1 and gone for phase 2, and then total number of students who have given interview. And of this, again, 1/3 students become your final merit list selected students who become RBI grade B officer. Now, if you look at these all the last 5 years, you will get an idea that 1.5 to 1.6 lakh students apply for RBI grade B exam. Out of these 1.5 lakh students who have just applied, only 1 lakh students give phase 1 exam. phase 1 एग्जाम कितने स्टूडेंट्स देते हैं? जस्ट 1 लाख देते हैं आउट ऑफ 1.5 लाख टू 1.6 लाख. इसका मतलब 37% ऑफ ओवरऑल स्टूडेंट्स हु अप्लाइड फॉर आरबीआई ग्रेड बी, दोज आर ऑटोमेटिकली एलिमिनेटेड विदाउट गिविंग द एग्जाम. इनका शायद से प्रिपरेशन नहीं होता है, ये इतने नॉन सीरियस होते हैं दैट दे डोंट गिव फेज 1 एग्जाम ओनली. ओके, सो दे प्लान इट नेक्स्ट ईयर. इस साल मैं डर गया हूं, मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर दूंगा. सो अगेन हियर you could see the selection ratio. Applications या फिर applicants को आपको देखना ही नहीं है. Do not see that the crowd or overall competition for RBI grade B is 1.5 lakh candidates or 1,50,000 candidates. No, real candidates तो 1 लाख ही देते हैं. इधर यहाँ पर all the 5 years it has been seen that overall applications are close to 1.5 lakh and the students who gave phase 1 exam is less than 1 lakh. तो इसका मतलब कंपटीशन जो एग्जाम अटेम्प्ट ही कर रहा है वो 1 ही लाख है और 1 लाख से कम है. देन व्हेन स्टूडेंट गिव फेज 1 एग्जाम, फ्रॉम फेज 1 अ स्टूडेंट क्लियर्ड फेज 1 एंड गॉन टू फेज 2. सो आउट ऑफ 1 लाख स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव गिवन फेज 1 एग्जाम, उसमें से ओनली 3000 स्टूडेंट गिव फेज 2 एग्जाम. इसका मतलब 1 लाख में से 3000 स्टूडेंट बस फेज 1 एग्जाम क्लियर करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई फेज 1 एग्जाम इज कॉल्ड एज एलिमिनेशन स्टेज. 97% स्टूडेंट्स यहां पर इस स्टेज में eliminate हो जाते हैं, clearly eliminated. And that is why I tell always that phase 1 exam को कभी भी lightly ना लिया करे. Every serious aspirant can make a minute mistake and can get eliminated here. 1 लाख में से बस 3000 स्टूडेंट सिलेक्ट होना, it shows you that in RBI grade B phase 1 exam difficult है, but नामुमकिन नहीं है. Here you can see the competition and here even minute mistakes can cost you. Each section का कट ऑफ है और most of the student either sectional cut off clear नहीं कर पाते या फिर overall cut off नहीं clear कर पाते, and that is why here the elimination is 97%. Now once you are in this 3000 students who have cleared phase 1, now you will be giving phase 2 exam. Phase 2 exam, if you see out of 3000 students for all the last 5 years, you can see that 700 students, close to 700, 600 to 700 students give the interview. इसका मतलब from this 3000 students 700 स्टूडेंट्स गिव द इंटरव्यू. 80% यहां पर एलिमिनेट कर जाते हैं फ्रॉम फेज 2 स्टेज. इसका मतलब 3000 में से 700 स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप देखते हो तो वो इंटरव्यू देंगे. इट मींस दैट योर सिलेक्शन रेशियो बिकम्स almost 28%, right? 28 to 30%, which is good, right? Because here in phase 1 exam 97% got eliminated. तो phase 1 का सिलेक्शन रेशियो कितना हो गया? Only 3%. phase 1 स्टूडेंट 1 लाख देते हैं, उसमें से बस 3000 स्टूडेंट फेज 2 देते हैं. इसका मतलब सिलेक्शन रेशियो 3% है. पर फेज 2 में से इंटरव्यू के लिए जाने वाले स्टूडेंट यहां पर सिलेक्शन रेशियो 30% है, राइट? 28% to 38% बिकॉज ओनली 80% एलिमिनेशन इज देयर. सो हियर यू कुड सी इफ यू गेट इनटू फेज 2 एग्जाम, आपका सिलेक्शन यहां पर रेशियो या फिर सिलेक्शन प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा हो गई है. नाउ लुक एट इट मोर. व्हेन वंस यू गिव द इंटरव्यू आउट ऑफ 700 स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप टोटल वैकेंसीज देखोगे आरबीआई की, जो कि फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट होती है, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 200 स्टूडेंट्स विच आर फाइनली सिलेक्टेड. अगर आप लास्ट ईयर 2023 में देखते हो तो हियर यू कुड सी दैट फाइनली 222 स्टूडेंट्स वर सिलेक्टेड. सो दिस शोज यू दैट 200 स्टूडेंट्स आर फाइनली सिलेक्टेड एंड इट शोज यू दैट आउट ऑफ दिस 700 स्टूडेंट्स 200 स्टूडेंट्स आर सिलेक्टेड from the interview, which gives you 1/3 रेशियो, दैट इज 33% सिलेक्शन रेशियो। तो यहां पर आप देख सकते हो फेज 1 में आपका सिलेक्शन रेशियो था 3%, फेज 2 से इंटरव्यू में आपका सिलेक्शन रेशियो हो गया 28%, और 28% से इंटरव्यू से फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट में आने के लिए आपका रेशियो हो गया 33%। दिस इज द ओवरऑल सिलेक्शन रेशियो। इसका मतलब क्या है, हार्डवर्क अगर आप देखते हो इट इज गोइंग ऑन इन स्टेप वाइज मैनर। सबसे कम सिलेक्शन रेशियो फेज 1 में है, फिर फेज 2 में है, और फिर इंटरव्यू में है। दिस वेयर द ओवरऑल सिलेक्शन रेशियोज बेस्ड ऑन ओवरऑल लास्ट 5 years, ओवरऑल स्टूडेंट्स अप्लाइंग फॉर द आरबीआई ग्रेड बी एग्जाम, giving phase 1 exam, giving phase 2 exam, giving interview, and then being finally selected. I hope that you understood how you can actually look at the selection ratio and now figure it out that कि overall competition क्या है। phase 1 के लिए competition है 1 lakh students, phase 2 के लिए competition only 3000, and interview में तो आप सीधा सीधा मान लो जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं 1/3, 3 लोगों में से मेरा सिलेक्शन हो सकता है, राइट। नाउ लेट अस लुक एट दैट who is the real competitor within all of you. If you think and if you are asking yourself कि क्या मैं really एक competitor हूँ, then you should ask yourself that real competitor अगर एग्जाम में है तो वो कौन होगा। So first thing, try to understand ESI, finance and management syllabus should be covered. Along with that, revision should be properly done on week to week basis, and ESI and finance and management, whatever topics you have covered, you have to do dedicatedly topic wise MCQ practice as well as descriptive answer writing practice. Next is weekly phase 1 live test आपको देनी ही पड़ेगी for practicing quant, reasoning, English and GA. Selection ratio तो देखा ही होगा आपने। Next is daily answer writing practice, बहुत essential है, खास करके in the descriptive answer writing. That is for English. It may be essay, it may be précis, it may be descriptive answers for ESI and finance and management. Daily revision बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. It may be related to current affairs. आपको पता है GA is for 80 marks, so therefore daily revision or weekly revision is very very important. And lastly, you should have a plan on day-to-day basis how you will be covering daily GA, how you will be covering daily PIB, whatever PIB news comes, and how you are going to cover your weekly government schemes which are always into the news. The current part you can do it for last 6 to 8 months. These are the deliverables which will decide you are a real competitor in the RBI Grade B exam of 2024 or not. So now as you understand, if you want to become a real competitor, other than these are all the problems which real competitors actually go through their overall daily preparation journey, and still they say I am okay, I am better. And when you fall into this category and when you do it for more than 6 months, that time definitely there is no one who can stop you in your selection for RBI Grade B exam. If you are that student who has already started the preparation, then definitely whatever points I have told you, you can definitely go through all these points and see that what are the points you are missing to be an RBI Grade B real competitor in this exam. And if you are that student who is looking for a last mile revision, or maybe if you want to start your preparation right now, still chance is there because of the elections we are getting extra days. And if you are a student who has already completed certain part of syllabus but still you want to revise it, then definitely you can go to Olive Board, our website, and you could see that there are various other courses also for regulatory bodies. So just go in the regulatory section. Okay, once you go to the dashboard, you will see whatever courses are there, especially for RBI Grade B, for all the students who require guidance. We have here guidance related program, that is personalized mentorship program. Here if you see, we have a crash course also. As I told you, there are two types of students: one who have already started their preparation, and second who have not started their preparation but they think that I can give 10 to 12 hours and I can still prepare and complete the syllabus. For them, crash course is also there. As I told you, phase 1 is very difficult, 3% selection ratio. Therefore we have launched crash course for phase 1, all live classes, quant, reasoning, English of advanced level, and at the same time these all classes are live. So make sure you go through all these particular courses. If you have any doubt, if you have any of the feedbacks, connect to our counselors. We will guide you in your overall preparation journey. Okay, so thank you very much and see you next time.
Hi, this is Anil. I was fortunate to be the All India Rank 1 holder in RBI exam back in 2018. Now, I'm absolutely thrilled to be part of Olive Board as a super mentor for their RBI Grade B programs. If you are aspiring to crack this exam in 2024, I will be available as a super mentor to discuss one-on-one with you, share strategy lessons, draw lessons from my preparation and set you up for success. Click the link below to check out the details. See you on Olive Board soon.